hold on to the camera.
Ah! Hi. Newsflash, I grew up. I know, what a concept. I'm now a junior and I'm going to prom, but not with a boy because I'm single AF. I gotta go get a dress because I can't wear jeans to prom. So sad. And that's what we're gonna do today, and I'm gonna take y'all along. Wow. Can you do that again for me? Can you do that again for me?
Okay, what does AF mean?
I'd rather not say.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, stretch your arm shapes. No. I think it's fun. Nice and simple. Okay, well, it passes that test. This one's like, it's cute. It's comfortable. In real life, it's like more like purpley and like, I don't know if I'm really feeling it. Hi, I'm my toast. And I'm making a sandwich. Say hi, Mom. Wow. Hey. Didn't find a dress at the mall. However, my sister's coming home later, and we're gonna go to this like other store that's like that's what they do. Like they do prom dresses. Okay, in like 5th grade, I used to go out with my friends and we'd go and like try on like homecoming and prom dresses and stuff for fun. And the dresses were really cute back then. And I was like, oh, I can't wait till I'm older and they'll be like even cuter. It's like, well, my day has come and they're extremely ugly. No, I should have just bought one in 5th grade and then just kept it, and then I wouldn't have to go through all this trouble and people would be like, oh my gosh, Jasmine, where'd you get your prom dress? And it'd be like, oh, I got it at Dillard's, and they'd be like, oh, I like didn't see that one there. And I'm like, well, I bought it in like 2010, so you probably would have never seen it. I'm gonna eat and I'll figure it out. Okay. Got to this other place. Here's the first dress. I'm a fan, but this part, literally, my neck is so #thick. It's pretty choky. This one's too itchy. Here's another choky one. Hey guys, it's the sun. Just came from outer space. Just stopping by to say hey. It's also Emma Stone from La La Land. I dyed my hair blonde and I grew like 5 inches. And I also lost all of my talent. So this one like fits really well and it's really comfortable because I hate being uncomfortable. Some people can just like handle uncomfortable things. I cannot. I don't know. Can I play some sick b-ball on this? I don't know. Can I do the splits in this? It's questionable. So I tried on this dress. I almost started crying because it's so pretty. I feel like actual Princess and the Pauper. Then we saw the price tag. Life went down really fast. We're getting a lot of underboob action, and like I'm not at the Met Gala, so I'm gonna say no. You know, I had other thoughts. I feel like this was something that I would find in like my sister's hand-me-down box from 2011. Tell me why don't make things so complicated. You want to see? Oh. Story time. My sister almost killed me in Windsor. So literally, you have to like #free the nipple at prom. Like you have no choice. I have so many questions. It's not going. So what's your favorite one? Not a happy camper. Wow. I'm currently going to Ready David's Bridal. I know. It's so exciting. Literally no mirror, and it's a wedding dress store. I'm here with alright, well okay, this one is gorgeous. Like right here there's like no stretch to it, and so it's like you breathe in and it like won't go any further. Does that make sense? This one is so pretty. Like, look. It was on the clearance rack for 70% off. I can't do the splits in it. Well, actually, I could if I needed to. If like a situation came up where like I had to do the splits, I could. So I like. Oh, I know. Of course I did. you.